Most people who are under the sound of my prophetic voice, you won't make a move. But the Lord said, hear me. I'm going to challenge your feet. Hold on. The Bible declares his feet had to be challenged to follow the enemy's command. Watch this. Why would he allow this to happen to his son? Why would he allow Holy Spirit to take him to the wilderness and then the devil lead him? Some of you got a problem because you're being led by the devil, but you're following his movement. Because I won't follow anything that's a detriment to my choice. I won't follow anything that has me listening to a strange voice. I decide to follow Jesus because he said, you are my sheep, and a strange voice